Welcome back, guys. The weekend sales are here at Harbor Freight. First, starting off, when you first land onto a page, you got the Merry Savings coupon, 15% on anything just this weekend. Or if you're Inside Club member, 20% on one single item. Now, there's some catches to it, so I'm kind of curious to see if it could be applied to the deals of the day. So now going to it, we got full cover. As you've been following, I've been posting up the previous days, the 12 days, starting off with the U.S. General and 40% of all lights for it. But you know, we're we like to get into the details here as well. On day two, we talked about Bauer item as well as a choice of combination. You'll be able to get the batteries for $64 plus the $24 for the Flex Big heads. That's a great bid set. I have one of those myself. So let's take a look at the deals here. So we want to zoom in. Now, we want to take a look. It is limited to one, and it cannot be combined with any other prior purchases or exclusive Inside Truck membership, extended service plans, open mics, and other restrictions. So this is where, if I could, you might want to try applying the 15 or 20% on top of it to even get at a lower. So I'll be kind of curious. Put in the comments if you're going to be able to try it as well. You get a couple other ones here, $34 for that bean that little hammer. And let's take a look at the lights. Again, valid, no limits on the lights, cannot be combined with other purchases, standard. Discounts apply at the register. So it is you don't need a coupon. It is a discount itself. Now let's take a look. So with the super coupon for the 15% or ITC members get the 20%, you could apply it to any single item. With that, you should be able to look at all the new tools. Here's just a quick list of the icons specific, but there's a lot of new tools you could apply to the ball pit, the new, or even the 3/8. If you have the 3/8, that'll be what 349 times 80% for the inverse of 20. So you're gonna get this new digital angle torque wrench for 279 dollars, which is awesome. That's approximately over $80 savings, right? So take a look, or you could go and view something like simple like this if you want to apply it to. But the days here, and we'll be updating you guys on all the next 12 days. So make sure you like and subscribe to the